Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're diving into an interesting topic. What does Windows Registry do? So, let's get started. Backhand index pointing right. What is the Windows Registry? You'll learn how to open the registry and see exactly how it works. First, open your PC's properties. Click the Start button and type this PC. Right-click on this PC and select Properties. Here you see your processor information, name of processor, and all other type information of RAM. Take noted. Go to your desktop and press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type regedit and then click OK option. This opens the registry editor. In the registry editor, here you can do different customization of different segment. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of main folders. Click on H key local machine. Inside H key local machine, you'll see several subfolders. Click on the small arrow next to hardware, or double-click to expand it. Now inside the hardware folder, look for another folder called description. Click on description. Inside the description folder, find and click on system. Inside system, you'll find a folder named central processor. Click on central processor. Inside the central processor folder, there may be folders named 0. Click on 0. On the right-hand side, you'll see a list of entries. Look for the one that shows your processor name. After carefully checking the processor name in the registry, go back to this PC properties and check the processor information there. Compare this name with where you saw earlier in the system. Change the processor name. Double-click on the processor name entry. Change i5 to i8. Then, now go back to the desktop, right-click, and select Refresh. See the change. Open this PC again and go to Properties. You'll see the processor name has changed from i5 to i8. This change is only visual. It doesn't actually upgrade your processor. It just changes the display name. But it shows how powerful and customizable the Windows Registry can be. In the same way, you can also change how your RAM, system type, and other details are displayed, but always be careful while editing the registry. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.